In this video, we're going to discuss about enlargement. So first of all, what's enlargement? Enlargement means when an object or a shape is enlarged or made bigger. That means the lengths or the sides of the object or the shape are multiplied by a scale factor to form the new image. In the enlargement, angles are invariant, however, the size of the object increases or decreases. The shape and the object are similar to each other, therefore, this type of transformation is known as non-isometric transformation. However, rotation, translation, and reflection, in which the shape of the object and the image are congruent to each other, hence are known as isometric transformations. So, when we say that the lengths of the object are multiplied by a scale factor, that means first of all we should know what scale factor. Scale factor means the length of the image to the corresponding length of the object. So that's the scale factor. So we'll see in the example. Let's say we have this example. We are given an object with coordinates 1, 3, 2, 5, x1, y3, x2, y5, x6, y1, and this triangle we can say ABC. So let's say center of enlargement is 1, 1. We want to enlarge this object at the center of enlargement 1, 1. So first of all we choose the center of enlargement, then we want to dial it by scale factor, let's say 2. So you can see, draw the lines through A to A prime. Image of A is A prime, image of B is B prime, image of C is C prime. They meet at one point, and that point where they are meeting is known as the center of enlargement, because sometimes we are given the object and its image. So the object and its corresponding image, through those points we draw a straight line like A prime, B prime, C prime, and we see the point where the three are meeting. So that is known as the center of enlargement. Now if we check the ratio, the length of AB is multiplied by 2 to get the length of A prime, B prime. So that's the ratio of A prime, B prime to AB is 2. Ratio of A prime, C prime to AC is 2. So ratio of B prime, C prime to BC is 2. So that is how we enlarge an object. Now if the enlargement for the negative scale factor, the point 1, 1, we want to enlarge the triangle, then with a scale factor, let's say negative 2. Now what difference do you see? Center of enlargement is in between the object and the image. Enlargement happens but in the opposite direction of the center of enlargement if the scale factor is negative. So if you look at the ratio A prime, C prime to AC is 2, negative 2. Because why will place negative sign? Because the image is on the other side and center of enlargement is between the object and its image. However, if we have scale factor as smaller than 1, if it is smaller than 1, so then the object will get reduced. Let's say the same center of enlargement, and we want to enlarge triangle, same triangle. Now the scale factor, if we choose, is 1 by 2. So what happens to the triangle? You can see it still is known as enlargement. So you can see the ratio of A prime, B prime to AB is 1 by 2. If it is negative 1 by 2, it will get reduced to the other side of the center of enlargement. In this video, we're going to see how we can find the center of enlargement and scale factor if an object and its corresponding image is given. Let's say the triangle ABC, whose coordinates are 4, 4, B is 7, 4, and C is 4, 6, So we have triangle ABC. The corresponding image points, D is 1, 2 and E is 7, 2. F is 1, 6 and we have triangle DEF. Now image of C is F, image of A is D, image of B is E. So we'll draw the straight lines through F and C and we'll extend on both sides. So straight line through F and C, straight line through D and E, straight line through E and B, and they're meeting at one point. We can mark that point if we want. And the coordinates of that point are 6, 7, 6, and that's known as center of enlargement. And scale factor, as we know, is the ratio of the image to the corresponding ratio of the object. So that is, we know if we consider DF, the length is 4 units, the corresponding length of the object is 2 units, so 4 by 2 is 2, so scale factor is 2. Thank you.